today we're settling one of the biggest debates in trading: prop firms versus trading your own money. Which one is actually better? I've done both. I've generated tons of thousands of dollars in prop firm payouts, and I've traded my own capital. And today we're going to compare both of them head to head across 6 categories. Each category gets 1 point, and at the end of the video we're going to see which one wins. Category number 1 is learning how to trade. If you're learning how to trade your own capital, every mistake will cost you real money. Every lesson is coming directly out of your pocket. Now, let's compare that to a prop firm. Let's say you buy a $50 account with $1,500 of drawdown. You can make mistakes, you can learn, you can experience real emotions. If you fail, you only lose $50. I've personally met traders who have lost hundreds of thousands of dollars learning how to trade. One trader this week told me he lost over $500,000. If he had learned through prop firms first, those losses would have been dramatically smaller. So the first category goes to prop firms. Category number 2, getting paid. Now let's talk about actually making money. If you're trading your own capital and you make $500 today, those $500 belong to you. You can withdraw it today, you can spend it tomorrow, it is your money. Now let's compare that to prop firms. Let's say you make $500 today. You don't actually get paid. You still have to pass the evaluation, then you have to satisfy the minimum trading days, and then only then you can request a payout, and you have to wait for approval. The reality is that profits don't actually matter until the payout hits your bank account. So while prop firms can provide bigger opportunities, your own capital gives you immediate access to your profits. So this category goes to your own capital. Category number 3, starting capital. All right, this is where things start to get interesting. Let's say you want to trade your own money. Realistically, the minimum money I recommend is $1,000. With $1,000, you can probably be trading 1 micro contract. If you're a really good trader, you might be averaging $50 a day. Some days you make $150, some other days you might make $80, some other days you're going to lose money, but over time, if you're consistent, you can average around $50 a day. Most traders aren't trying to make $50 a day. Most people want trading to become a serious income source. To be able to do that with your own capital, you're probably looking at around $10,000 to $20,000 account minimum. Compare that to prop firms. Take the same $1,000, instead of funding your own account, you can buy multiple prop firm accounts. Those accounts could give you access to well over $20,000 in drawdown. And if you're trading properly, one payout could easily give you $2,000 or $3,000. That is potentially more than doubling or even tripling your initial investment in a matter of weeks. Can that happen to your own capital? Sure, but it's much harder. So this category goes to prop firms. Category number 4, freedom. When you trade your own capital, no one really tells you what to do. There are no consistency rules, no minimum trading days, no payout schedules, no maximum drawdown rules. You can trade 1 day a month, you can trade 10 times a day. No one cares. This is your account. You make your own rules. Now compare that to prop firms. Every prop firm has different rules. Profit targets, consistency rules, drawdown limits, payout requirements. Now you're always playing somebody else's rules. And whether you like it or not, those rules affect how you trade. You have to change your trading style to fit within the prop firm game. This category goes to your own capital. Category number 5 now is risk versus reward. This is the category that completely changed the way that I look at trading. Let's say that I buy 10 prop firm accounts. Each account will cost you around $100. My total investment is roughly $1,000. Now pay attention because this is extremely important. Those 10 accounts might give you access to, on average, $20,000 in drawdown. Now think about that for a second. To lose 10 accounts, you would have to lose roughly $20,000 in the market. But my actual loss isn't $20,000. My actual loss is only $1,000, which is what I spent on those accounts. That is a huge difference. Now compare that to trading your own capital. If you take the exact same trades and you lose, with those trades and the same leverage, you would be losing $20,000 in the market. You would lose your own money. You would lose your own $20,000 that comes out directly out of your pocket. But here's where things get really interesting. Let's say I lose 10 accounts. I'm down $1,000. But then I buy another account, and the next account I generate a $2,000 payout. I could technically lose enough trades to wipe out $20,000 worth of drawdown in multiple accounts. But one successful payout can put me back at a break even and even make me some profits. That is something that does not exist when you're trading your own capital. When you lose $20,000 of your own money, it is gone. With prop firms, your downside is limited to the cost of the accounts, while the upside remains significantly higher. This is the category that goes to prop firms. Now, category number 6 is surviving your worst day. Now, this might be the most important category of them all, because no matter how good of a trader you become, eventually you're gonna have a really bad day. In fact, most traders don't fail because of their normal trading style. They fail because of one emotional trading day. Maybe you enter a trade and it goes against you. So you add a position, then you do it again, then you add it again, and now you're no longer trading your system. You are trading with a bunch of emotions, and we call that a fury day. Every single trader has those. And if you've been trading long enough, you've probably experienced one, or you're going to. Now let's talk about that damage. Let's say you've built a $50,000 account. On a single fury day, you can lose years of progress. Now compare that to prop firms. Let's say you're trading a prop firm account, you have a fury day, everything goes against you, you completely lose control. What is the worst case scenario? You break an account, that's it. Account is gone, damage is contained. You don't lose your life savings, you don't lose your money, you don't lose money that you spent years building. You lose an account, you move on. This category obviously goes to prop firms. So by now, after watching this video, you should have your own conclusion of what you should be doing. But if you don't, I'll give you one. Never trade your own capital? No, absolutely not. I believe that every trader should eventually be trading their own capital. The goal isn't trading prop firms forever. The goal is to become a good enough trader that you can safely grow your own capital over time. But here's the problem. Most traders aren't there yet. Most traders think they're traders. They're not. They're people interested in trading. There's a big difference. A trader understands risk, a real trader understands positioning size, a real trader has emotional control, a real trader knows how to deal with losses, a real trader knows how to deal with winning days, and most importantly, guys, a real trader has a proven system and they follow that proven system even when they have a really bad week. Bad traders, or I should say people interested in trading, will have a bad week, stop and look for another strategy. They are never consistent. They're still figuring out their strategy. They're still figuring out their emotions. They're still figuring out how they react when the market moves against them. Prop firms will allow you to learn for all of those lessons while you're only risking a fraction of the money. They help you find your trading style. They help you find your positioning size. They help you discover how you react under pressure. It helps you understand your strengths, your weaknesses as a trader. Most importantly, they allow you to make mistakes. And trust me, you will make mistakes. The question is, would you rather pay a few $100s for your mistakes or tens of thousands of dollars of your own capital? If you guys know me, I have done over $80,000 in prop firm payouts. By the time you're watching this video, it's going to be over $100,000 in prop firm payouts. I am within the top 1% of prop firm traders in the world. I've created a course where I teach you exactly my prop firm method. I teach you exactly how I trade prop firms. In the first 45 days of launching my course, my members who have gone through the course and applied the strategies have earned over $65,000 of confirmed payouts. So if that's something that interests you, if you want to learn from a 1% prop firm trader, click the link below and go through my course.